All right, I got this clock at Goodwill. It was $7.99, and we are going to make a spooky clock. So the first thing we're going to do is I'm going to tape off the glass because I want to paint the silver and the black a different black. I want to paint a matte black because it's going to be creepy. We don't want to look shiny and new. I'm going to show you this little trick. So this is just household cinnamon. It's best to use spray fixative. I can't find mine, so I'm using my clear matte. What you're going to do is you're just going to coat where you want rust, okay? And then you're going to apply cinnamon. And you are going to get a rusty effect. Now, it works best with the spray fixative. And then you can keep going and add that. The more clear you put back on it, the darker your rust is going to look, do you see? So we just want to make this clock look old and rusty because it's going to be creepy. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to do this around the clock and give it that really weathered look, okay? But just cinnamon. Here is my done rust. Can you see it? Doesn't that look awesome? All right, so now I just have to take the glass off. I did buy this decal. It was only $1.54. There you go. Of this creepy doll. I'm going to put that inside the glass. So here is the glass. Here is the decal. I'm just going to take it off and put it on the glass and then put it back on. I am going to spray the edges. I have frosted glass spray paint just to make it a little cloudy. All right, this is what I'm going to use. I am only going to spray just the outside edges, just so it has a little smoky look. This stuff is really cool. This gives a little bit of cloud. Now what I want to do is I'm going to add some of that same red paint. I'm just going to put a couple drops on the top and then tilt it up so it runs down so it looks like there's some blood on the clock. It's a little orangey. I might have to add some red on top. Let's see. Just lift it up. It'll start to run. So that's going to take a little while. I'm not going to sit here and videotape it for you. You'll be here all day. But so that's how we're going to get the blood drips.
Can you see me? Hello? Can you find me? Can you find me? I'm here. Behind you, look. Behind you. I'm behind you. I am right behind you. Don't be scared.
Nice inexpensive Halloween craft.